Hi and welcome back to the Polymer Clay channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make things from scrap clay, and particularly a little key rack. Now I haven't got one in my new place, and as you can tell this is a different area, so I'm here, but I don't have anywhere to put my keys. So I thought I'd put my skills to use and use some of my scrap clay to make a little key rack. So here we go. Okay, I'm starting small here, so what I've got is the scrap clay that I mentioned. This is like a purple colour and this is a mixture of God knows what. It's pretty awful looking. So yeah, this is the scrap I've got left from other projects. So I'm going to be using this today. I've got some little hooks here. These are plastic, so well these are part plastic. They've got a plastic covering on them. So these are going to have to go in after. Likewise with these, although they're not plastic, I always put them in last. I make the holes and then put them in afterwards. And then I've got my tools here, tissue blade, red plastic tool, a couple of dotting tools, and then this one is, I've used this before, it's for the drilling, so I'm going to be using that to make the holes to hang it up with, and then the other side's really handy for glitter and bits and bobs like that. So I'm going to make a start. Right, so I've got up to a shape that I'm looking for and also the thickness that I'm looking for. Now the reason why I'm concerned about the thickness on here is because of the length of the screw that I've got here. So what I don't want to do is it poking out the end. So what I'm going to do is make sure that it is thick enough. So I'm going to pop that in a little bit and make it slightly thicker, which will obviously increase the strength of it anyway. So that's good. You could try and snip this off. I don't know if I've got anything strong enough to do that, so I'm just going to make sure that this is thick enough so that it goes through it, but not right the way through it. Okay, so now the main design is done. I'm going to use this texture roller here, make some patterns, use some mica powders, and then of course add some glitter. And with this little dotting tool, I'm just going to make some further little dots here for the decoration. Thanks for watching the tutorial. So I'll show you what it looks like now. So there's the full sign. As you see, the clay has completely changed colour because I've coloured it with mica powders. You wouldn't know that it was scrap clay. It's really good stuff, that is, to be honest. So with the little hooks here, I screwed them in and then unscrewed them. Now the reason why I do that is because it creates some traction on the inside. So when the clay is hard, you actually do have to screw it in, and that creates a bit of strength as well. And also I did the same with the top one, which is what you hang it from. So this is how you create a little key rack from scrap polymer clay. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching the tutorial, so I'll show you what it looks like now. If I could hold on to it. It's survived, first of all, and it's in the oven, so that's a bonus. Because it creates a little traction underneath. Oh, no. So I sound a bit weird because I'm in my new studio, but as you can tell from behind me, it's not ready yet, so I've had to cover a load of things up. But hey ho, here we go. However, I'm hiding. Sit up, Jones. Sit up. No, I just really want to drink my coffee. That's all I really want for this frog.